Right, this is William from Long Finance Free, and let's talk about a autoregressive model and its mean reverting level. Okay, so let's just help you guys derive that. So autoregressive model, as the name suggests, is auto. So it sort of a regress with itself and regressive. Okay, so which means regression of itself. And let's think about this. So for example, we got like x1 xt, sorry, or t plus 1, okay, equals to, I'm going to get a b0 plus b1 and xt, right? It's a regression of itself. So this term and next term have a regression. Okay, so instead of 1, it's just a xt plus 1, and then maybe I don't know, epsilon t, right? And since it's like mean reverting, okay, so these two should be exactly the same. Okay, so we got this t equals to b0 plus b1 t plus epsilon t. Okay, and this is like the expectation is always 0, so let's just get rid of this. Okay, and then we can move it around. Okay, I'm going to move this around to the left, so we can get 1 minus b1 xt equals to b0. Okay, so xt equals to b0 divided 1 minus b1. So that's, we'll get this mean reverting. This is my unorthodox way of deriving it. I prefer to this method because I know this expectation is 0, so I can just quickly cancel it out. But you have to use like the really strict derivative, I don't know, to drive it. We can get something like this. Okay, so let's just use a strict way of doing this, because this is if I'm taking an exam, I forgot about it, I will just use this method. Okay, because it's become itself, and this expectation, I'm just going to ignore it because it's a residual. It doesn't really matter, so I can just get rid of it. But if you have to derive it, let's just get this xt plus 1 equals to, and b0 plus b1 xt at epsilon t. Okay, and I'm going to use the expectation of this and expectation of all this. Okay, I think that makes sense. And at the equilibrium level, the ext plus 1 will equal to expectation of xt. Okay, you'll get a equilibrium level of mu. Okay, same as before. And then therefore this mu equals to our b0 plus a b1 and then mu, because it's an equilibrium level. But I sort of just change it to xt in order to do that, and just to ignore this. But this is more like strict way of doing things. So replace the x to mu because it's already at the equilibrium level, because you add expectations. And remember, you add expectations, this mu just to go away. Okay, but if you prefer this like really strict derivation, I think derivation, I don't know how to speak it. Okay, then we can solve for this. So we can move it around. Okay, multiply 1 minus b1, okay, equals to b0. So the equilibrium level will be 1 minus b1. Okay, really simple. There will be the equilibrium, mean reverting. So that's the mean that always can revert level. All right. Hope this video helps, and don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. All right. Thanks. Bye.